The Hoosier Garage presents the Classified Series.
All right, welcome back to the Hoosier Garage and the Classified Series. And right here we have a 65 Dodge Coronet. It's originally a gold car. See some of the original paint there. It's a 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the tree. And this might be a good fixer-upper or part out. It's either way. Either the whole car, or if you need parts off of it, do it that way. I think the rear end is sold on it, so scratch that. Inside, it's gonna need some floors. There's your door situation. Got your pedals. So if you see something you need, you can let Kyle know, and all his information will be included in this video here at the end. We'll try to keep them short so that you can find it easy enough and just get a quick look at what we got. You know, rough trunk floor, lower quarters, stuff like that. Trunk lid's got some rust, but you got, you know, this, that, and the other. Decent tail light. Trim. I think the radiator is a 72 A-body piece, so that could be of use to somebody. Again, 65 Coronet, original gold with slant 6, 3 on the tree. See something you need, let Kyle know. Make sure you check out our other installations of the Classified Series here on the Hoosier Garage.
For any questions about this car, check out the contact information. Thank you for watching the Hoosier Garage. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more restoration, tips, and fun.